Ali Abulhasan, CEO and co-founder of Tap Payments. Can you start by telling us a little bit more about Tap Payments?
Tap Payments is in the business of simplifying online payment acceptance in the Middle East and North Africa. What we try to do is bridge the markets together since they are very much fragmented when it comes down to the region. What we focus on is help businesses grow in emerging markets by unifying the region together and connecting the region to the world with a focus on payments. Our emphasis is on technology and on the financial clearing part. What we do is basically unify all those different standards and rails in the markets that we operate in, and we provide an interoperable approach that allows the rails, the local rails, to operate within each jurisdiction while providing our clients a standardized approach using our own technology. In addition to that, since we are in a very fragmented region, it's very important also for us to provide financial services on top of technology, where we would help consolidate the clearing of all the funds for all of our clients in a single unified process. This gives a single relationship for our clients, a single standard in our offering, and it gives it all into a single bank account.
And security and reliability, how do you ensure that these are met to the utmost of standards?
Well, of course, security is very important and reliability is very important. When it comes down to dealing with any financial activity, this is on the top of our, let's say, emphasis and focuses in providing our services. When it comes down to security, we follow the top standards in security, whether adopted by the industry or adopted and innovated by our own team. So we take security in a very important manner, and we enhance on it continuously. It's never ending. That's number one. Number two, when it comes down to reliability, it's very important that we need to understand that we're not operating in a single market, which means that in a single market, it's always a challenge to provide reliability for that single market. What we've achieved to do is enabling and providing reliability in multiple markets while maintaining local data on soil requirements that are provided by different jurisdictions. This is part of the complexity of the business that we're in, and we are proud to be one of the few, if not the only, providing such throughout the region in the Middle East and North Africa.
And at TAP, how do you collaborate with financial institutions and regulatory bodies to foster innovation, but also to abide by compliance?
We're very much proactive, I would say, with regulators and the ecosystem. Since we've been operating in an environment where regulations are still evolving and it is still progressing, we've been operating in environments where regulation has not yet developed, since we've been running for around almost 10 years now. So we're very much involved and proactive with regulators, and we take part in how to enhance and evolve those regulations. An example of that is our engagement in different markets in the GCC, where we have obtained sandbox environment licenses, where we've graduated from and obtained the full license to operate in major markets in the GCC, including Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, and many others that are progressing as we speak. And whenever we are working in markets that are still being developed, we work very closely with regulators, such as you would see it in the UAE, in Egypt, in Qatar, and Oman, and many others.
And in the region, how do you support small businesses?
So since we focus on enabling online payments for the masses, what we focus on is building a process that would enhance the automation for onboarding merchants in a seamless way. So based on that, we don't deal with just dealing with one single client and onboarding them every month or every week. We deal with thousands of merchants on a daily basis. That means that we look at process in a very important manner. It's part of our offering. And by having this offering and this focus in the enablement of online payment acceptance, it is a very important piece in enabling payments for the masses, for SMEs and startups, since it is important to approach it in a manner where it will drive change rather than taking it one step at a time.
And finally, what are your expectations from Seamless this year?
Well, Seamless is always a great opportunity to connect with industry stakeholders that we work with, that we have a close relationship with, and open up new relationships. It's a very important event for us to see all the different stakeholders coming here in Dubai, and we are always keen to be part of such an event and evolve our offerings by collaborating with other stakeholders in the industry.
Ali Abulhasan, thank you very much indeed for joining us here at Economy Middle East.